Previously on Sailing Gypsy Wind, Jonathan and I tour Porto and go wine tasting. We pick up Matthew, our newest crew member, and do some major provisioning for our journey south to the Canary Islands.
We're here! Check this island out! We're only about an hour away at the moment from the marina. We gotta go around this point and then we'll be there. But look at this beautiful island, Santa Cruz de Tenerife. The Canary Islands. I was curious if it was going to be desert or tropical, but I think it's going to be tropical. It's beautiful.
After checking in with customs and doing some shopping, we decided to get the boat cleaned up and ready for our next adventure. On our way back out to the anchorage, we came across some pilot whales. They're said to be very friendly and curious in this area.
Alright, this is the anchorage. Look at how gorgeous this is. Black sand beach on this side. On the other side of this big mountain thingy is a red sand beach. Wow, freaking gorgeous.
Once we got anchored, it was time to swim, clean the bottom of the boat, and enjoy the island.
Crush up and use as bait to catch little fishies that we can eat. What? Yeah, those are them. Here, hold on, let me show them. This is what we're looking for here.
Oh, he's in there.
These little crabs, and then you put them on the hook and they make wonderful bait to catch little red snapper. So we've been successful here. We got a handful of snails. David's getting a few more right now. And I'm gonna make David put these in his pocket even though they're all snaily and squirmy and keep trying to come out of their shells. And we're gonna swim back with them.
All right.
In they go. Don't lose them, okay? Do your best. How does that feel?
They're licking me. I kind of like it. I need some privacy.
Right on my belly button. We're going on a hike on Santiago de Tenerife. we're just starting, so we're all energetic and excited. We want to climb up to the middle of this mountain here, and there's a ridge we want to climb through. And let's see if we make it. I'm already out of breath. Yeah, I think we're gonna hang back. Walk a little slower than those two. We finally made it to the beach and we're gonna hang out, have lunch, maybe go for a swim. It's totally inappropriate to show you guys, but in the background you'll see that this is totally a nude beach and everybody is naked. It's a little awkward.
Even the dog's naked. That's weird.
Even the dog is naked. Got a bunch of naked guys behind us.
That was in the middle. Hope so.
Alright, on that note, let's all eat lunch. I'm going in the cave!
After hiking and lunch on the beach, we decided to go snorkel a nearby cave. It was really cool, but also intimidating, being the first cave I've ever explored. The next day, it was time to say goodbye to Tenerife. Little did we know it wouldn't be the last we saw of the Canary Islands.
There you go, yeah!
And he's catching the flush.
Go.
I'm gonna catch the flush.
Go.
We went in this cave today. Ooh-wee. Look at this. Okay, everybody, so today's officially day 1. We are leaving Tenerife here in the Canary Islands, heading across the Atlantic. Let's talk to our captain, see how he feels about this trip. Talk to us here, Captain. What's
Ready to go.
ready to go?
We have pretty strong winds for the first week, so we're gonna head a little northerly and stay in the not so rough stuff.
Okay,
But we need to go.
we need to
Time
go.
Light
The
speed,
what is a little heavy winds?
25 knots.
25? Okay.
Yeah. We're
Nothing
gonna
that we
stay-
can't handle.
No, we're gonna stay hopefully more towards 18, but it's all from behind us, so it'll be easy.
All right. And you're thinking it's going to take us about 18 days.
Hopefully.
All right. We're good on food. Weather looks good. The trade winds have set in.
Yep.
Yeah. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Woo! You excited?
Totally hyped.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go right
I
now.
think the crew of Gypsy Wind is ready. Ready as we're ever going to be anyways. I'm a little nervous, excited, jittery. I don't know. It's like time to go because, you know, the more time you think about it, the easier it is to talk your way out of it. So let's do this.
Well, all good well.
Matthew, how are you feeling? Tell us about it.
Excited.
You excited?
Yeah, it's time.
Yeah? You ready to cross?
Yeah.
You wait, no land for 3 weeks?
Yeah, you're gonna miss land, but that's okay.
Okay. Thanksgiving's gonna be trumped by land.
Probably, yeah, just like Halloween.
Halloween was trumped by land for sure.
Thanksgiving,
All right.
probably Trump by land.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's go on the other side.
Next week on Sailing Gypsy Wind, we make an unexpected stop in El Hierro, Canary Islands, celebrate David's 31st birthday, and do some much needed snorkeling.
compressor that runs the clutch for the refrigerator.
Because we have an engine-driven refrigeration system.
Correct. So without the wire being on there, the clutch will never engage and the compressor will never spin, causing the refrigerator to not run.
Okay, so what are you doing to remedy this situation?
We took the whole thing apart and we got down to the nub of the wire. We resoldered a new wire on it. We strapped it on. We covered it with heat shrink several times to stiffen it and to put it past the area that was ripping it before. So now that's got not only the wire but also 2 layers of heat shrink on it. And then we zip tied it to keep it super stable. So hopefully we won't have wire problems in the future. Now we're reassembling the pulley for the compressor.
All right. Now would you mind showing our
So he's already put the pulley back on the compressor. Now he's adding the first thing. It's like a little friction clamp that keeps the pulley attached.
Okay, you got the next piece?
Next piece right here. So low end on first, and then you'll need a flathead screwdriver to work it around. And it's going to be unhappy. It's going to suck.
You mean this isn't fun?
It'll be fun when it works and it's done. After this, we're gonna go swimming for a little while. We're gonna check out some caves. Caves. Snorkeling. We'll put you in the waterproof and take you with us.